everyone, welcome back. This blockbuster, so please look forward to the next adventure. Every time you try to play adventure mode, blocking you completely. Here's the fix. This message means that the app thinks new adventure content isn't ready yet, and it's almost always a sync issue rather than content actually being unavailable. First, go ahead and force close the Block Blast tab completely from your recent apps. Then go to your settings and toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds and turn it back off to fully reset your network connection. Since this message can get stuck showing after a failed content check, reopen Block Blast on that fresh Wi-Fi and try adventure mode again. If it's still stuck, then go to your app store and check for a pending Block Blast update since new adventure content and this specific message are frequently tied to needing the latest version. If it's still showing after updating, then go to your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, find Block Blast, tap on it and then tap offload app. After you offload it, go to your app store and reinstall it fresh from there to clear corrupted content cache. So all you've got to do is reset your connection, check for an update, then offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Adventure mode unlocks again and that's it. Subscribe.